Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lacey Elizabeth, and if you want to know how I got this amazing glowy snatched holiday glam look, keep watching. Don't forget about the huge giveaway. Yes, I'm giving away 2 of these amazing Artis brush sets to 2 of my amazing viewers, and 2 of these amazing brush sets right here, the 10-piece brush sets from Artis, to another 2 of my amazing viewers. So yes, 4 of you guys are going to win amazing brush sets from Artis. If you guys are interested in that, read the description box down below and all the details are in there. Alright guys, let's get into it! Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be using my all-time ride or die products, which are all from Scott Barnes. So I've got my Scott Barnes bronzing palette right here, which is Bondi Beach by Scott Barnes, and this bronzing powder is amazing. So I absolutely love this one right here. This is the lighter version. And for sculpting and contouring, I'm going to be using this Scott Barnes palette right here, and this is the Sculpting and Contour palette by Scott Barnes. And this one's amazing. You guys have seen me use this probably in all of my videos. I absolutely love it. It's just a go-to ride or die product for me. Love it, love it, love it. And then of course for highlight, because who does it better for the holidays than that JLo Glow? Yes. So actually, side note, JLo apparently is coming out with a makeup line, I believe January 1st. So are we excited for that? Yes, right? Write it in the comments down below if you guys want me to review those products. I would love to, so let me know. Okay, but for right now, we're gonna use Scott Barnes, which is JLo's makeup artist right here. And this is the Glowy and Showy palette, and this is his highlighting palette. And for the powder I'm going to use to bake my contour, definitely it's going to be this one size powder right here. This one is the translucent powder from Patrick Starrr. This is a life changer. This is a complete game changer. For baking, this is just like Patrick, honey. Okay, another YouTuber, a fellow YouTuber, yes, he's done it. He's a makeup artist. He's done collabs with MAC, but this one is his own brand, and I'm so proud of him. This is phenomenal, fantastic, love it, and we're gonna be using it today, as well as his one-sized flat angled puff right here to bake our face. Love these products. Okay, to start off, I've basically got my brows done and I have my whole face on. I've already gone in with my foundation, my powders, and my concealer. So now that all that's done, we're just gonna go in, we're gonna bronze and contour and make this holiday glam look come to life. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now with my bronzer, which is the Scott Barnes Bondi Beach bronzer right here. I'm also going to take my Artis brush, which is just a really big fluffy blending brush, which I absolutely adore. So if you guys aren't familiar with these brushes from Artis, then enter my giveaway. It's right behind me, the 10-piece collection right there. So 2 of my lucky, amazing, fantastic subscribers are going to win the 10-piece one, which is behind me right there. And then 2 of my amazing subscribers are going to win this 5-piece one right here. Don't forget and enter that giveaway. So I'm just gonna take my brush, we're just gonna pick up a little bit of product, tap that off, and I'm literally just gonna, I always start by bronzing up in my hairline, but since I am going to be doing a really glam look, we are gonna be putting this on a little bit thicker and blending it out. A little bit more product. Tap, tap, tap. I'm gonna go in to the tops of my cheekbones. A little bit more product. I'm just gonna go into the other cheekbone right here. And then I'm gonna actually just come down a little bit on my nose, just like that. Cupid's bow, chin. Normally I would grab a brush for blending, like a huge kabuki brush or this elf brush right here, but today I'm going to be using my Artis blending brush, this guy right here, the big one, because, well, I'm in love with it. This is amazing. So to blend, we're just going to go into circle motions and blend out that bronzer. Just big circle motions. So we're literally just applying that bronzer wherever the sun would naturally hug and kiss your face. And because it's now winter here and there's snow, it's snowing outside right now, we just want to look a little bit more sun-kissed, right? Okay, that's how I'm bronzing my face. So now for my holiday contour, I'm gonna go in with my contour palette right here from Scott Barnes. This is beautiful, I love these colors. So, normally I'll go in with my Scott Barnes contouring brush, this one right here. Today I'm actually going to be using my Artis brush, which is this little guy right here. This is like a medium firm brush. I'm actually going to be tapping into Sculpt a little bit and Snatched a little bit, just to kind of make a custom color. And then I'm going to tap that off. Okay, so where I'm going to be applying my contour is from the center of my ear down to the corner of my mouth. We're going to stop about 3/4 of the way right here, but it's just that hollow. So if you go like this and make that fish face, where it contours right there, where you got that hollow, right in that line that I just created for you guys, that's where I'm going to be applying my contour. So I'm just going in and applying that right there, just like that. So just like that, that's where I'm going to be applying my contour, and then I'm going to blend that out. So I'm going to go in with Sculpt again for the other side and Snatched, tap that off. This is very important. So when you look in the mirror, you're going to kind of look straight dead on, or at least know where you've applied your contour so that they're not uneven. Because when we bake and create that line there, you want that to be somewhat symmetrical. Just like that. Now I'm actually going to take the residual that's on my brush. I'm not going to dip into any more. I'm going to go under my chin. Because just that little bit of shadow right there is actually making me look thinner. I'm just taking a little bit right there. You guys can see how that's kind of just snatching my face and drawing me in. So I'm just going to push my earring back. Right here for my jawline, we're just going to apply a little bit of shade there. Same on the other side. Do you see how that just kind of like that? It just snatches you in? Alright, I'm just going to blend that out. For blending, I'm now going to go in with this clean. This is the mini Artis brush right here. So I'm just going to go in with this little guy, and I'm going to actually start by blending my jawline. Okay, just a little bit of blending. This makes you go snatched. Like it's just sucks you in beautifully. Now, I'm actually going to take the same Artis little baby blending brush, and I'm just going to go in circular motions and blend out the top of that contour. Just like that. I'm just going to go in, blend out the bottom of that contour. So we're going to sharpen up that contour with our baking powder. Do the same on the other side. I'm now going to go in, I'm not putting any more product on my brush, and I'm just going to feather that out just a little bit more. Same on the other side. Whatever I do on one side, obviously I'm going to repeat on the other. I'm just feathering out that contour, dispersing that color evenly. Okay, so now that we've gotten that part done, I'm actually going to go in and apply my bake for the contour, which will be my one size powder right here. So I'm actually going to take some of my Patrick Star one size translucent powder and dump that into the lid. Okay, so what I love about this one size powder puff, since I got it, I'm like living for this angled, the flat angled. Like, it's working for me, it's doing everything for me, so I absolutely love that versus the one I normally use, which is completely round. So this is magic. I'm just gonna tap into it, tap into that powder, and I'm just kind of covering that whole angled section right there. So you can see that I've got powder on it right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in, and I see my line for contour there. Again, I'm following that line from the center of my ear down to the corner of my mouth, and I'm literally just drawing the powder down there and making a clean line. So I'm gonna leave that on and bake, and we're gonna move on to the other side. I'm doing the exact same thing, so from the center of my ear, we're going down from the center of my ear to the corner of my mouth with the clean line. I'm just dragging that powder puff down to create that bake. Just like that. Now, while that's baking, I'm gonna actually go in and contour my nose. Okay, so in the Artis box behind me, I've got two of these really cute little liner brushes, these ones right here. I'm actually gonna go in with the smaller one to do the detail of contouring my nose. I'm actually gonna go in with the color Carve right here. We're just picking up a little bit of that color. I'm going to tap that off. So if you guys have seen how I contour my nose, I'll link that video here, but I'm just gonna go in from the corner of my brow and go all the way down just like that. And I'm gonna do it again on this side. So that's literally how I'm applying the contour for my nose. So I'm actually gonna go in with this Scott Barnes brush right here, which is an angled fluffy brush. I'm going to pick up some of this Patrick Star powder, tap that off. I'm gonna actually go into the center of my nose, starting at the bridge, and I'm just applying powder straight down, just to give it some highlight. Just like that. I'm gonna keep the bake on my cheeks, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this brush right here from Artis, which is a fluffy brush. And I'm literally just going to go in small circles and blend that nose contour out. I just went in and blended out the contour on this side of my nose, so I thought instead of doing this side of my nose, I will actually go in and blend out the contour on this side of my face so I can show you guys a really good comparison of how this looks before and after. So to blend it out, I'm actually going to go in with my Artis small mini blending brush, and I'm just going to start at the jawline with that, working that powder, small circles. And we're just wiping that powder away, and it gives you that clean definition, which looks so cute. So you got this side of my face looking perfectly snatched, and this side of my face, which I still have to blend out. Let me go in and just blend out this other contour, and I will be right back. Alright guys, this is how I've bronzed my face, this is how I've contoured my face, and now this is how I'm going to highlight my face. So I'm actually going to go in with this BH Cosmetics number 5 fluffy brush right here. We're dipping into our amazing Scott Barnes highlighting palette, which gives us that amazing JLo glow. I love it. I'm actually going to go in with probably Pinkaboo, which is this beautiful pink shade right here, and Pink Crush. I'm going to pick up both of those shades. I've got quite a bit of highlight on my brush. We're just going to tap that off just a little bit. I'm actually going to go in and apply that highlight right here, which is at the high point of my cheekbone. And we're going to start from about here and bring it down here to just before the apple. That's stunning highlight. Now I'm actually going to go in with my little Artis blending brush. I like to just diffuse the edges of my highlight just a little bit. I do that on the top of my highlight and on the bottom. And that's how I'm applying my highlight for the holidays. I'm going to go in, repeat steps on the other side. I'll be right back. I'm now going to take my brush and whatever product from that highlight is left over on my brush. I'm just going to go down the bridge of my nose right there, and then the tip of my nose right there, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. Now I'm literally going to, I have no eyeshadow on clearly, I'm going to squeeze that brush just to fan it out, and I'm going to go in right there under my brow bone. Again, we have not dipped back into our product. This is just giving us that natural glow. I'm going to go above my brow right there and just kind of, just a little bit. Then I'm just fading out to my hairline, just so slightly. Okay guys, this is how I'm going to glam it up for this holiday season with my bronzer, contour, and highlight. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Love hearing from you guys. Don't forget about the huge giveaway. Okay guys, if you want to be entered into this amazing holiday giveaway, you need to be subscribed to my channel, you need to follow me on Instagram, and you need to send me all 12 words of the day. So there's 10 more words coming, so keep watching. Today's word of the day is gift. Remember guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.